Bom dia once again. After spending a fantastic week in Alentejo, I'm now in Lisbon. I'll be staying in Lisbon for the next day and a half before I take my flight back home. Given that we don't have much time to explore the city, let's dive right in. I'm staying in the Graça neighborhood in Lisbon. From this vantage point at Calcada Graça, Lisbon stretches out in a maze of terracotta rooftops and sunlit hills. Every corner seems to tell a story. Pastel walls glowing under the afternoon light, narrow lanes winding through centuries of charm. Even with just a short stay, this view alone feels like the perfect welcome to Lisbon. Down below, the city's most iconic ride, Tram 28, rattles through the streets, packed with curious travelers chasing that classic Lisbon experience. Just a few minutes away lies Lisbon's grand stage, the main square. Framed by graceful yellow arcades and bustling cafes, the space feels alive with energy. Street performers, chatter, and that timeless charm that defines the city's heart. Leaving the main square behind, I start walking towards Lisbon's streets, this time along Estrada de Benfica. The energy shifts a little here. It's still lively, but there's that everyday rhythm, the sound of cups clinking in cafes, locals chatting in quick bursts of Portuguese, and shop windows filled with everything from pastries to vintage finds. Tourists wander with maps in hand, trying to soak it all in, while locals move with purpose, perfectly at home in the flow of the city. Every few steps, another story unfolds. A smile from a shopkeeper, the smell of coffee, music drifting out of a side street. It's these simple moments that make Lisbon feel so effortlessly authentic. Night falls and Tram 28 takes on a different character. Gone are the crowds, just a handful of locals and a quiet hum of the city outside. Rolling through narrow streetlights and a soft lamplight, Lisbon feels almost secretive, like it's letting me in on its gentler side. The clang of the tracks echoes of tiled facades, and every window glows with stories behind the glass. There's a sense of calm, the city unwinding after a busy day. From my seat, I catch glimpses of life. Friends lingering outside cafes, old buildings bathed in golden light, and the twisty path this tram has followed for generations. Riding through Lisbon at night, the city feels both endless and intimate, and every turn makes the journey feel more magical. It's a new day in Lisbon, and at Largo de Chiado, street artists bring the city to life with their music and dance. Next, I moved Calcada de Gloria, less of a street, more of an ever-changing outdoor gallery. Everywhere you look, bright murals and imaginative designs splash across the walls, doors, and stairways. Some pieces tell stories or capture local faces in bold colors, others mix tradition with pop art flair. It's Lisbon's creative energy on full display, with new art popping up all the time. Walking here, you feel the city's pulse, where history and modern life collide in a burst of color and character. It's hard to believe this trip began among quiet villages and wide open landscapes in Alentejo, where every meal and view felt authentically Portuguese. Now, after a whirlwind day and a half in Lisbon, from soaring city panoramas to vibrant street art and bustling squares, it's clear how different yet deeply connected these places are. Both have left their mark, from Alentejo's calm to to Lisbon's creative spirit. As my time here comes to an end, it's the blend of old and new, the warmth of people, and the countless small moments that make Portugal unforgettable.